This is my full experience in Turkey, doing a road trip to see the main key things to see and places to visit, and this in virtual 360 video. And this is really amazing, so feel free to put the video on 4K to really experience it as you should experience it. And I do start this story with my visit to Cappadocia. So in the overall road trip, it's somewhere halfway through. You can go inland. If you fly to Antalya, you can drive inland. It takes around 10 hours or less to drive there, and you have some amazing things to do there. So obviously there's the hot air balloon thing you can do some amazing walks around the place there. And then maybe a second thing I want to show you today is the amazing boating you can do around Antalya. So there's some amazing places to visit there with the boats, and the boats are quite good price quality, and you can even rent out a whole boat for your whole group of people that you are with. So it's not too expensive to have a captain, and there's some amazing grots or caves to visit, some amazing blue water, some water activities you can do, and so on. So definitely recommend to visit that part of the country and go to the water. And then obviously there's amazing walks to do, right? So there's the Pamukkale you can go to. Pamukkale is very nice too. So it's a must-see place. The white stones are just amazing. It's very touristy, but it's just still an amazing thing to do. And you can visit it and also visit around the place around Pamukkale, because there's some nice walks to do, some nice history to visit, and some museums rather to go through. So it's definitely worth it. So around Cappadocia, it's also amazing to do some walks there. The nature is just amazing, so really recommend to always go and visit a bit around the place. You can also take the quads and so on. So definitely recommend to not only stay a few days, but really visit, for example, as I'm seeing here. So you can visit the green tour, which is really going off the beaten path. You can do it in a few hours, and then you really see some amazing nature phenomenon, which is not typically very touristy, so you only will see a few tourists. So that's definitely something you should do. And as I just mentioned, you really, if you can, should visit maybe the Black Sea or the Mediterranean Sea to do some amazing activities on the water. It is an amazing view to see this country from the water, enjoy the local experiences, the history. You can visit some historic places. That's really one of the things you should do and not skip, if I may say. And obviously the hikes you can do, in most of the time it's quite a good climate, so definitely recommend you visiting Turkey, and feel free to visit my channel for more.